This is Optimal Health Daily, episode 1600, 9 Ways to Live a Happier and Healthier Life by DIYActive of DIYActive.com. And I'm Dr. Neil, your very own personal narrator. Hey there, welcome to a Tuesday edition of Optimal Health Daily and episode 1600. I can't believe there are 1600 of these episodes. It's all thanks to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing this show with someone. Remember, this is one of just a few podcasts in the world where blogs are read to you for free so that you don't have to read them yourself. But on this show, you get the added bonus of hearing my commentary at the end. Oh, and another bonus of this show, on Fridays, I answer your questions. Now, to check out our other shows, just search for Optimal Living Daily wherever you're hearing this. But with that, let's get to episode 1600 and start optimizing your life. 9 Ways to Live a Happier and Healthier Life by DIYActive of DIYActive.com. Tips for a healthier life. There is no shortcut to living a longer and happier life than having to maintain good health overall. This means making changes to your diet, exercising, and managing your stress. When you balance all of those things, you will be able to eat well, move well, relax, and connect with others around you, like friends, family, and even strangers. Happier, healthier life tips. We've put together a list of things to help you take care of your entire well-being in order to live longer, but more importantly, be the best you that you could possibly be and live a healthier life. 1. Diversify your food choices. In order to acquire good health, our body needs about 40 different types of nutrients, which no one food can supply us with. It's not about having a single meal. It's about having balanced food choices over time that can truly make a difference. 2. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for our bodies since it's needed to carry out a number of different essential functions, such as removing potential toxins and carry oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Drinking water may also aid in weight loss. According to a study among those with obesity and overweight, those that drank water regularly lost 4.5 more pounds than those in the control group. Researchers believe this is because water helps fill our stomachs, which is what makes us feel less hungry and may make us less likely to overeat. 3. Practice meditation. Meditation is one of the best practices to keep your mind calm, focused, and relaxed. It also increases the awareness of your surroundings and boosts your concentration. One of the best benefits of meditation is stress reduction. It also enables us to control anxiety, improve sleep, decrease blood pressure, and control pain. 4. Get sufficient amounts of sleep. Lack of sleep causes fatigue and may lead to premature aging, so it's important to get adequate levels of sleep. And if folks aren't well rested, they may compensate for it by eating more. Sufficient sleep presents the following advantages for our bodies. It may prevent cancer, reduce inflammation, reduce stress, make us more alert, improve our memory, help us lose weight, help the body repair itself, and may reduce the risk of depression. 5. Exercise. Virtually every study reveals how beneficial exercise is for the body, like how it helps lower the risk of diseases, increase our lifespan, reduce weight, and provide stronger bones, among other things. You can start small by walking instead of taking your vehicle for short distance locations, climb stairs instead of taking the elevator, join a dance or an aerobics class, or even choose a favorite sport to play. 6. Practice good dental hygiene. It's important that we practice good dental hygiene not just for cosmetic purposes, but also for the betterment of our health. You should brush twice a day and floss your mouth after every meal. Ask your oral health expert for more advice. 7. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are among the most important food sources of minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Most health professionals recommend eating at least 5 combined servings of fruits and vegetables each day. You could start the day with a piece of fruit, maybe an apple or a piece of watermelon for snacking, and a serving of vegetables at each meal. 8. Reduce intake of processed foods. We must reduce our intake of processed foods because, first, much of the product's nutritional value is lost upon its creation, and added preservatives may be harmful to our health. Most processed foods also contain a high amount of salt. That may increase risk of heart disease and hypertension or high blood pressure. And 9, avoid smoking. Smoking causes a range of risky complications to our health, such as kidney cancer, lung cancer, heart disease, esophageal cancer, and more. It's also worth noting that smoking light cigarettes do not lower these health risks. Getting into the habit of quitting is important, not just for yourself, but also for your family and friends. You just listened to the post titled 9 Ways to Live a Happier and Healthier Life by DIYActive of DIYActive.com. If you dream it, you can do it, right? If only self-fulfilling prophecies worked for hiring for your team. When you partner with Indeed, building the right team is that simple. If you're hiring, you need Indeed, because Indeed is the hiring partner where you can attract, interview, and hire all in one place. With Instant Match, as soon as you sponsor a post, you get a short list of quality candidates with resumes on Indeed that match your job description, and you can invite them to apply right away. Plus, you only pay for quality applications that meet your must-have requirements. I love that Indeed makes hiring all in one place so easy. Indeed helps you see your top talent's abilities faster with 135 assessment tests. Start hiring right now with a $75 sponsored job credit to upgrade your job post at Indeed.com/health. Offer valid through March 31st. Go to Indeed.com/health to claim your $75 credit before March 31st. Indeed.com/health. Terms and conditions apply. Need to hire? You need Indeed. Dr. Neil here for my commentary. I actually want to go back to tip number 6, the importance of good oral hygiene. So often when we think about the importance of oral health, we think about avoiding tooth loss and dentures later in life. But it's much more than that. Researchers have discovered healthy teeth and gums may be protective of other diseases as well. On the other hand, when our teeth and gums aren't in great shape, it may increase the risk of other diseases as well. For example, a common consequence of poor oral hygiene is a condition called gingivitis. Gingivitis basically means inflammation of the gums. And it turns out that inflammation of one of the smallest organs in the body, the gums, may lead to inflammation of other areas of the body too, like the arteries. Inflammation of the arteries may increase risk of heart disease. So you see why I had to be sure to discuss the importance of tip number 6? All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for being a subscriber. That's the only reason we've made it to 1,600 episodes. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow where your optimal life awaits.